Now, welcome you all, especially the बीपीएससी मेंस एस्पिरेंट्स। और जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि ये जो सीरीज चल रहा है प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस का, और उसका मकसद ये है कि आपको बेहतर राइटिंग स्किल डेवलप हो, कम से कम शब्दों में कम समय में एक जो व्यापक टॉपिक होता है उस पर कैसे अपना प्रकाश डाला जाए, कैसे मंतव्य दिया जाए, ताकि एग्जामिनर्स इंप्रेस्ड हो और आपको बेहतर नंबर आ सके। लिखते तो सभी हैं, पर क्वालिफाई तो कुछ ही करते हैं ना। तो वह आर्ट डेवलप करना, यू हैव टू डेवलप द आर्ट, गुड आर्ट ऑफ आंसर राइटिंग। दैट इज द मोटिव बिहाइंड दिस मिशन। So now, look at the question. This question is based on the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI. Introducing the concept of artificial intelligence, AI. How does AI help clinical diagnosis? Do you perceive any threat to privacy of the individual in the use of AI in healthcare? तो आप देखने क्या है, मेनली हमारा जो कीवर्ड्स हो गए इसमें कौन कौन से हुए देख लीजिए। पहले वो एनालाइज पहले कर लेना चाहिए आप आंसर राइटिंग शुरू करने के पहले। तो कीवर्ड्स में आपका तो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हुआ ही। फिर नेक्स्ट क्या हुआ हमारा कि हेल्थ केयर में क्या कैसे इसको पे होगा, और नेक्स्ट आता है प्राइवेसी इशू। ठीक है, इसी को हमको हम लोग को रिसर्च करना है। Now, let us introduce the topic. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machine, especially computer systems, to perform tasks such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, and decision making. Remember, क्या क्या हो गया? लर्निंग, रीजनिंग, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग. In recent years, artificial intelligence has become a transformative force across various sectors, particularly in healthcare, where it enhances efficiency, accuracy, and accessibility. Now, look at the points on artificial intelligence in clinical diagnosis. मेडिकल इमेजिंग एनालिसिस, देखिए पहला ये मेडिकल इमेजिंग एनालिसिस. AI algorithms can detect pattern in X-rays, remember, MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, and CT scans with high accuracy, aiding early diagnosis of diseases such as cancer, fractures, or neurological disorders. Next point, predictive analysis. Predictive analysis. Artificial intelligence systems analyze patient data to predict disease risks, helping in preventive here. Next point, pathology and genomics. AI assists in identifying genetics, mutations, and disease makers faster than the traditional methods. Next point, decision support systems. Artificial intelligence based tools help doctors interpret clinical data, recommend treatments, and reduce diagnostics errors. Next point, virtual health assistants. Chatbots and AI-driven platform provide basic medical advice and care support, improving healthcare accessibility. Next point, threats to privacy in AI-based healthcare. Points are data breaches, lack of consent and data misuse, algorithm bias, and big data protection frameworks. So now discuss the points one by one. Data breaches, chances of data breaches. Larger scale collection of sensitive patient data increases the risk of unauthorized access. Next point, lack of consent and data misuse. Improper use or sharing of health data without patient consent can violate privacy rights. Next, algorithms bias. Unchecked AI models may make biased or inaccurate predictions affecting patient outcome. Next point, weak data protection frameworks. Insufficient safeguards can lead to exploitation of personal health information. Now then, look at the conclusion. Artificial intelligence holds immense promise in revolutionizing clinical diagnosis and patient care, but its use must be balanced with robust data protection laws, ethical oversight, and transparency to ensure patient privacy and trust in healthcare system. That's all for this lecture. Thank you.